So this is a review I've been waiting a while to do, or an item I've been waiting a while to get in. This is from Vitamix. It's the Foodcycler FC50. And essentially this is going to turn your leftovers, your food scraps, your vegetable scraps, bones, whatever, organic matter into fertilizer. I love that idea. And it can be cycled up to 3 times per day. It's very low power as well. Basically, from my understanding, it's like a dehydrator, a blender, all in one that's kind of just slowly breaking everything down through this heating process and drying process. Apparently no smell. We'll see about that. Let's check out what comes in the box. This thing is massive, by the way. So this is a massive box. If you're wondering, it's not that I have this small work area. So I hope that's just a lot of accessories and it doesn't use up too much space. I'm just going to take everything out to start. That's it in the box. There's actually nothing else. So the unit is pretty big, but looks like it fits on my shelf at least. Okay, I'm going to bring the camera closer in a little bit. I'm assuming there's some stuff inside, so we're going to open it up. You do have a manual of some sort that's going to walk you through the different processes. We'll leave that alone for now. This is some sort of inner chamber lid as well. It looks like this is a little more porous, so it has a filter here that is definitely changeable. So that's probably one of those filters to help keep the smell down. Let's bring the camera a little closer and check this thing out. Okay, let's see if anything else is inside. So we have the twist to unlock. It opens up. Yeah, we do have a few things. We have this. I'm not sure what that is. Some plastic we have to remove. And inside is an inner mixing chamber. There's one more little piece right here that we're gonna have to figure out. Now there is also another area in the back here I'm going to open up. So this looks like, now it does have 2 carbon filters, and that's what's supposed to keep that smell down. I'm not sure how often you have to change them, but we're going to have to look into that. Remove this sticker before use. Okay, so this opens up the filters. So the filters are already in place, and just removing the stickers is just going to allow them to do their job. I guess not a great sticker design. So I think I figured out what these are for. It looks like they're caps to go over top, kind of, and that just helps blow it out. So you can see that's just going to push that air out of the filters into there. And then look at this. We cover it up, and now you have a bit of a ventilation system going on there to push that nice filtered air out. So that's a really cool design right off the bat. Now, as you can see, it has a few options at the top here. You pretty much just turn it on and then I think it goes to work. It does only one thing. It's going to tell you a few things though. There's the change filter, and then there's the process of drying, grinding, and cooling. So I believe it works through the processes as it goes. Inside, you can see a few things. It has a mixer blade. Plus, this is a pretty sharp little knob right here. So I'm assuming that helps to break down the bigger pieces as they dehydrate and break. It does have a few different lids like I pointed out, so I'm not sure which is for which yet, but we're gonna have to do some more investigating. This is a really cool unit and I can't wait to test it out and see how well it's gonna break down my organic matter to just, you know, help recycle a little bit more.